Hey babes, I received this gorgeous 24-inch pre-braided unit from Alipearl hair, you guys. Super cute design, 13x4 lace front unit. And I'm gonna go ahead and install it for y'all today. So if you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching this video. Thank you to Alipearl Hair for sponsoring today's video. Like I told y'all, they sent me over a 13x4 lace front unit, 24-inch pre-braided unit. I love the style that they did on this hair and it looks so nice and natural. So let's go ahead and get into it. Straight out of the package, I got an elastic band, an edge control brush, some lashes. Now this is the wig straight out of the package, you guys. I didn't have to bleach the knots on it. I didn't have to pluck the lace or anything. It looked really nice, really sleek, ready to be installed. One thing I will say about this unit, y'all, it was super full and thick all the way down to the ends. Who do y'all have up in there doing these wigs? Because whoever did this wig, they did the braids perfectly. The parts look nice. Everything was really just nice on this wig. As you guys can see, you don't get a bunch of excess lace. It's pre-cut for you and ready to pop on. The hair is very shiny, silky, flowy, and full, y'all. Here's a look on the inside cap construction. It does look like the knots are pre-bleached, but I am going to go in with a little bit of makeup in a second. It has an elastic band as well that is adjustable, and the elastic band does also have non-slip on there, so the wig is not slipping off your head. It's nice and secure. Like I said, I'm going to go in with some powder. I just went ahead with a little bit of my bronzer powder to match my skin so that the wig is nice and melted. That's literally all I added to this wig. I didn't have to do any extra customizing. As you can see, I'm gonna pop this wig on, and as soon as I put this wig on, y'all, the wig just looks so nice. As you can see, it matched my skin. I am gonna go in with a little bit of got to be spray in a blow dryer just to lay it down, but nothing too crazy, y'all. This wig is really ready. Let's go ahead and cut off the excess lace on the side just because I want to make sure it fits my head perfectly so it can lay nice and sleek. Now, this wig does come with baby hairs. You can wear it with baby hairs if you want. I personally did not want baby hairs, so I went ahead and just swooped them right to the back. But the good thing about doing that is that you can pull them out anytime you want to and swoop you some baby hairs. Using my got to be spray, I'm just going to do small sprays of got to be spray around the perimeter of my hairline, and we're going to just push that into the lace. Not too much, literally just enough so that the lace is melted, but we don't want it to look sticky or tacky. We want this to look nice and blended into our skin because this has no baby hairs. We want a nice sleek look. After fanning my lace, I'm going to go ahead and use the elastic band that I was sent by Alipearl and tie the hair down for about 15 to 20 minutes. You already know while my lace is melting from that elastic band, I'm going to do some passes through this gorgeous hair, y'all. I cannot believe how full this hair is. It's so full, so silky, and so beautiful. When I say full, I mean full all the way down to the ends. I just did a couple quick passes through this hair. The hair was already straight. You know, it just got a couple little crinkles from being in the box. This is the final look on the hair, y'all, and I kid you not, it took me 20 minutes for this full look. It came pre-braided. I mean, this looked like I really just went and sat in the chair for 2 hours and got my hair done, and I threw this wig on in 15 to 20 minutes. 10 out of 10 recommend this unit from Alipearl Hair. I got so many compliments on my hair. Do y'all see how pretty and shiny the hair is? Do y'all see the braids? Do y'all see the symmetry? Do y'all see the lace melted? Like, stop playing with them. 10 out of 10 recommend this wig from Alipearl Hair. I will have everything linked in the description box down below. I look good, period.